We need to get to the bottom of this. Certified Lover Boy or Donda. Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and man, we are almost at 600,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. If you guys can, tell your friend, tell your family, anybody, man, tell them to subscribe because we're almost there. We're 3,000 subscribers away, and I'm super excited to hit 600K. That's a huge milestone, so thank you guys so much. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we have the Nike Sacai's in the Fragment colorway, the gray Fragment colorway, and today's Friday. So happy Friday, everybody. I hope everyone is having a great day. By the time that this video drops, it will be Saturday, so I think it might be Memorial Weekend this weekend, so if you guys get that 3-day weekend, y'all enjoy it, live it up. Be safe though, be safe, but live it up. Today we're gonna be taking a look of the Nike Fragment Sacai's, one of the best sneakers ever to release this year. Three, two, one. Here we go, people. Y'all, this is a beautiful sneaker right here. And before we get started, I feel like I need to do a little background on how I got these things. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest. I already filmed this entire video. I'm actually redoing this video right now because I was all over the place in the previous one, and I'm just trying to collect myself a little bit more on this one. So if I'm a little rough, that's why. And it's kind of late, but I just want to make sure that I get this video out for you guys on Saturday, all right? So let's start off fresh. We're gonna get ourselves compiled here, and we're gonna start this review, all right? So the Nike Fragment Sacai Waffles. I ended up getting these from a homie on Instagram. I just made a post saying that I wanted them, and he had some GOAT credit left on his account, and he was like, bro, if you want them, you know, just pay me this. And we worked a little trade out for some sneakers. So that was super cool. He had them shipped directly to me. So I want to give a huge shout out to him right here. Y'all always come through when I need you. So thank you so much, bro. I do appreciate it. And now I'm here doing a quick and early review for you guys. So if it wasn't for him, this video would not be possible. So thank you so much, bro. Anyways, the Sacai waffles have been growing on me like crazy. Whenever I'd go travel with my homie Dustin, he would always have a Sacai waffle in his bag somewhere. So I was thinking, for some reason, this man keeps bringing these sneakers, I gotta try them out. So I tried on his pair. His pair's like an 11.5. I wear a 9.5 in these, and they were stupid comfortable. So that's what got me into the Sacai waffles, and when I bought them in my size, I was like, bro, I genuinely love this sneaker, and I just think that this one, this specific colorway, has to be one of the best sneaker releases of the year. Like, it's definitely top 5, definitely top 10. Just something about this. Whenever there's a Nike Sacai collaboration, essentially everything is doubled. You got a double midsole, you got a double swoosh, you got a double tongue, double everything. And for some reason, for the waffles, I feel like it just works the best. I've never tried the blazers. I've never tried any other variation of a Sacai besides this one right here. But for some reason, I think it works beautifully because the way that the midsoles are constructed, it's already like a really foamy feel. But when you throw them on feet and you have the double midsole on there, it absorbs weight so much better. I'm telling you guys, top 10, top 5, maybe even top 3 of this year. I'm telling you. So obviously at the bottom of the sneaker, we have our Waffle Outsole. And quick little info, if you guys didn't know, Nike started with the Waffle Outsole because Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman, they were making all of their soles in-house, and they used a waffle iron to pour the rubber into. So that's why the first Nike runners had this little tread pattern right here, and it also has a nice little patent logo down there. I thought it was pretty cool because it's just paying homage to how the brand started. And obviously Nike has gone a very, very long way. So I love seeing this. Moving along to the beautiful two-tone midsole, we have a nice light gray at the bottom, and then on the top we have a white to give it that nice contrast. On the outside of the sneaker, it says the classic Fragment Sacai. And on the inside, we are greeted with more lettering. I ain't even gonna lie, it's hard for me to read this backwards, and I haven't read it like normally, so y'all could go ahead and decipher that on your own. I love how they did this two-tone midsole. I feel like if it was all white, it just might look a little bare, but I love the two-tone look. Now, there was a Fragment release that already dropped not too long ago. It was the blue version, and something about that midsole and outsole combination I didn't really like too much. I think the blue looked a little weird at the bottom. It was a little bit too much dark colors at the bottom for me. I don't know if it was just me, but this one really stood out to me. Out of both of them, I prefer this colorway right here. Now the upper of the sneaker consists of a couple of materials. We have this nice gray mesh, which is extremely breathable. Another thing that I like about my sneakers. Nowadays, I'm wearing sneakers that are a little bit more toned down like this. Like a nice gray sneaker, a nice black sneaker, cool. If it's comfortable, if it's breathable, I'm probably wearing it. On the toe cap, we have a really nice and buttery gray suede, which actually feels a lot better than I thought it would. I thought it would be a little bit more rough, but this is actually pretty buttery. Now the swooshes catch the most attention because they're double stacked. One of them is like a vinyl material and then the other one is a leather material on the back. So of course I love the variation in material. And one thing I forgot to mention is that these seem to be like heat pressed in or something. I don't know how well this is going to last over time, especially if you guys are, you know, cleaning your sneakers pretty often and these end up getting really dirty where you use like a little bit of a stiffer brush. It might knock these letters off. That's something to consider. But I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Just try to be careful if you guys ever end up, you know, cleaning this sneaker right here. I mean, while we're speaking of sneaker cleaner, your boy has his own sneaker cleaner brand. So if you guys want to shop that, shopsotopia.com is my website where you could purchase my sneaker cleaner to revive your sneakers. And if you guys use the code YouTube at checkout, I'll take 20% off, all right? Just don't tell anybody. I got you. Over here on the laces, we have double laces stacked up. Now I've seen some people take the double lace out. I personally leave the double laces in. I think it's a really good look. And with that double tongue right there, we have the Nike, we have the Fragment logo. This is a wonderful sneaker. One of the main reasons I gravitated towards this colorway is because with something like a Sacai waffle, there's a lot going on. I mean, there's, you know, double everything. And I feel like once you add a bunch of different crazy colors on here, it just might be a little too much where it kind of draws the attention away from the aesthetic or the design of the sneaker, which is something that I personally love. So a calm, neutral colorway really balances everything out, in my humble opinion. That's just how I'm thinking. Now, if you guys are wondering how everything fits, I recommend going true to size, but if you guys like your sneakers snug like I do, I personally go down half a size, especially for the Sacai's that have a clear mesh or a mesh that's see-through up here, because once your foot is in there, if you have a little bit of dead space, you'll see it in this area, and if your feet aren't filling it all the way, it looks a little weird in my opinion. With this specific colorway, it's not really a see-through one, but I know the first couple that came out, they had like a little window where you could see your feet in there, see your socks. But hey man, y'all do your thing. I just want to let you guys know, I personally go a half size down, but if you guys want a little bit more room, just go true to size. Now this sneaker right here is hitting for about like $375 to $400-ish right now on StockX/GOAT. This specific colorway will be releasing on September 8th for the retail price of $170. You could go ahead and find it on the Sneakers app, which you probably have downloaded already. And man, I already know I'm gonna take the L. I wanna wish you guys good luck if you end up getting these. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop in the comment section down below, guys. One thing that I like about this specific colorway is that yes, it's a little bit pricey, but it's not as pricey as some of the other colorways that I really like. And I might as well just settle for these because I'm not dishing out $700-800 for some monochromatic sneakers. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think it's a dope alternative. And like I said, super comfy, very nice design. And again, yes, they are on the pricier side, but if you get them for retail, that is a dub. And if you guys are looking for any other Sacai's that I recommend that are on the lower end, I recommend looking at the nylon Sacai's. They have a black one and a white one. I purchased a black one on eBay that was worn for, shoot, I think it was maybe like $220. It was on the lower end. Cleaned them up real quick, and they're honestly one of my favorite sneakers to bring on all of my trips that I go to. I go hiking with them, I go walking with them, I go running with them. I do everything in them, and they're super comfy, all right? I almost forgot, but they do come with extra laces right here. I might do like a white and gray combo. I think that would look real nice. That's going to wrap up this video of the Nike Fragment Sacai waffles. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section down below, and again, let me know what you guys think about Donda or Certified Lover Boy, all right? I'm also doing another quick sale on my website for the yellow off-white keychains that I make with 100% authentic material. The original price I used to sell them for was $75, but I have them listed for $39.99 right now. If you guys want to purchase, I do have a few left, and that will be linked down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, shout out to the homie for making this video possible. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Deuces. Shoo.